It's a Viking Vaper. Back again for another juice review. Another one from Loud Liquid. This one's called Noise. It's a strawberry and green apple sorbet, this one. Start off by giving her a little smell. Oh, apple, straight away. I mean, that just screams apple at you. You can't smell any strawberry straight off the bat from the bottle. You're getting loads of apple. Loads of apple, it's really nice. Right, let's give her a little drip. I mean, for 70-30 mix, Loud Liquid's mixes are all 70-30. But they're not too thick. I mean, I've had some really thick 70-30 mixes, and they're not too thick at all. Let's give her a vape. That's nice. That is really nice. You get apple on the intake and then strawberry on the exhale. I mean, that's pretty incredible. I've got to say, that's probably one of my favourite juices ever. I mean, honestly, that's crazy. How they, the apple on the in, and then you get the strawberry as you exhale it out. Just takes that sharpness off the apple. Apple vapes can be quite sour, quite sharp. That's not at all. There's no sharpness, no sourness to that. Really smooth, really fresh. Really refreshing vape. Really refreshing vape. Vapor production, amazing, as all their other juices. Really, really good. Awesome flavour, so smooth, not sharp at all. Not too appley either. I mean, it smells. As soon as you smell that, you get smacked to the face of an apple. But yeah, it's not too appley either. I mean, there's enough in there that you can taste it, but it's not overwhelming. And with that strawberry as well, it just takes that sharpness out of it as well, which is really nice. Fantastic vape. Definitely an all-day vape. Definitely worth checking out that one. I'll stick the link below so you guys can check it out on their website. It's $12 for a 15ml bottle. Like this bad boy here. 7 or 8 quid over here in the UK. Really nice. Loads and loads of flavour. Loads of clouds. What more do you want? I mean, like I said, it's not too thick, so you can stick that quite easily in a sub-ohm tank or a clear miser, whatever you're using. Stick that in a tank, stick it in a dripper, vape away. Yeah, definitely one of my favourite juices. That's fantastic. Really, really nice. Sweet, not too sharp, not too sour. Really refreshing. Good vape, really nice. Check it out. Loud Liquid. Loud Liquid. Check them out. Vape hard, vape safe. Peace.